Hi guys, it's Shane again, and we're going to continue our exploration of the spoken language. Now, we've tried a few different things. We've tried homophones, homographs, we've tried different ways of saying things, different accents. We used a little bit of slang as well. We're going to use this time something that we can take with us on holidays. We're going to use some phrasal verbs that we can use on holidays. Okay, so let's begin. What about if we begin a holiday? Well, you could say that we set off on a holiday. So, I set off on my journey for a holiday in the Bahamas. Okay? First thing I did was I hopped on a plane. Okay? And my parents were there to see me off, to say goodbye. All right? Now, because it's a very long way from Spain to the Bahamas, we had to stop over in Miami. Okay, so first we flew from Barcelona to Miami, and then from Miami to the Bahamas. Then, when I arrived at the airport, I was picked up by a taxi driver, and he brought me to the hotel so I can chillax. Now, I was with a few friends, and one of them was on a business trip. So I goofed off in a different direction to hang out at a bar with some new friends of mine. Okay? Now, with these new friends, we kicked back by the swimming pool and we had a couple of drinks of Aquarius. And then one of them suggested that we should hit the road. So we got in a car, rented a car, and we went on a road trip. Okay? Now, my friend who was with us decided to join us for this trip. Now, he's a little bit of a control freak, so he was a bit of a backseat driver. Now, a backseat driver is somebody who gives the directions, tells the driver, slow down, speed up, and so on. But the weather, there was glorious weather. It was so hot and sunny and dry, and it was perfect for me to catch a tan or to soak up the suns or catch some rays. All right? Now, because it was quite hot and because I am who I am, I was hoping for a drop of rain. Okay, so a drop of rain, just a small amount, so that I could always stay a little bit cool. Now, unfortunately, in the Bahamas, it didn't rain that often when I was there. So what did I do? I dove into the water and I caught some lovely fresh water to cool me down. And afterwards, I felt like an ice cream. So I asked for a 99. But unfortunately, a 99, which is an ice cream cone that's worth 99 cents or 99p, they don't do in the Bahamas. So I ended up getting chalk ice. All right? Now, it was a little bit too hot for me at this point. So after I got my lovely chalk ice, I laid down to keep out of the sun and I shielded my eyes by wearing glasses because my eyes were very sensitive to the light. Now, next time I go on holidays, I'll remember to pick somewhere where it's not so sunny all the time, where I can chillax but not be too hot, and if necessary, hope for a drop of rain. All right, that's it. Take care of yourselves, and I hope you were able to pick up some of the phrasal verbs that I used in this video.